and welcome back to another video today. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what to draw when you're bored. It's like cute little things to draw when you're bored. So yeah, before I get started, I also wanted to tell you that the things that I'm using to color like the drawings in, I'm using those markers that are up in the corner. And yeah, you can use like literally whatever you want. I'm also using a black pen. You can use a pencil, whatever you want. So let's get started. The first thing I'm making is a little cute Chinese takeout box, like noodle box that you get from Chinese restaurants. Now I'm taking my book and I'm making instead of like a ruler, I'm using a book because I can find my ruler. I'm just using like my notebook, and I'm making the line slanted of like the side of the box. And you'll see why in a minute. Actually no, you won't see why in a minute. I just seen them like that before, so that's what I was doing, I guess. For all you guys wondering, that was my hair. Isn't it lovely? It's just great. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, there goes my markers. Oh, and there's my hair. That's beautiful. And now I'm done making the box part. And so the next thing I'm just about to do is I'm going to take my black marker again and my black pen, and I'm going to draw like the brand, like the restaurant name, if you want to, yeah, that's what it's called, the restaurant name of the noodles. Oh my goodness, there's my hair. And so my restaurant name is Noodle Town because that's just great. That's original. So original. That's lovely. Okay. So I'm just writing that on the top. And then on the bottom, I'm going to write takeout because it's takeout. And of course, your name can be whatever you want. And now after this is done, I'm going to take my red marker. Of course, you can use whatever you want. But I'm going to take my red marker and I'm going to color I'm making the line across the top and the bottom. And I'm going to color that in instead of coloring the whole thing in. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm going to be of course, this is optional. Some people really hate this, but I'm just going to draw a cute face on it because I think it just makes it look a little just special. That's the word. That's a great word. Okay. And I'm going to be taking a little light pink to make some rosy cheeks. So, yeah. And of course, you do not have to dry the face. I just decided to, just because there was nothing in the middle. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be drawing with my black pen. I'm going to be drawing some chopsticks. And I'm going to take a yellow marker and draw some noodles kind of looped around it so it looks like someone's picking up noodles. That was not a yellow. That was a pink. You're great at colors. Okay. So, yeah, it just looks like they picked up some noodles. Just to make it kind of look like it was a noodle box. And that is a finished product, you guys. So the next thing I'm going to be drawing is a little popsicle. So I'm going to start by taking my black pen, once again, and making the most basic popsicle shape ever. Okay? You can be creative. You can make square popsicles, circle popsicles, whatever kind of popsicle, but I'm just making the most basic shape. You can even make little bite marks on the side, Yeah, And then I'm just drawing the little popsicle stick, and I'm going to be taking, that was a dark brown. That's pretty dark. Oh, that looks really dark. But I'm going to be taking a brown, and I'm just going to be coloring that in. It's lighter in real life, guys, I promise. Just looks really dark on camera. And then I'm going to be taking some rainbow colors and just be coloring it in. So let's go fast forward. Oh, that was fun. And, well, as you can see, I'm almost done. That rhymed. I'm great at rhyming. No, I'm really not, you guys. Now I'm going to be taking my black pen once again, and I'm going to draw another cute face. I'm sorry to all the people who don't like this, but, I mean, it's kind of weird, whoever came up with that, but I kind of like it. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. And it's like a little face. No, it's like a little hee. That was a weird laugh. Okay. Now we are done. So for the very next thing, I want to do something creative, original. No, it wasn't really original. I decided to draw a cactus. So, I'm taking my black pen, and I'm going to draw like the little cactus pot that the cactus lives in. So, there's that. And then I'm also going to take my black pen once again, and I'm going to draw like the cactus shape, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing, my dudes. And of course, you can draw your cactus like literally however you want, but I decided to draw it like the most simplest way, so that's what I decided to do. And I'm going to be taking 3 different kinds of greens and be coloring it in. As you can see, I'm just choosing my green because I don't know what green to choose. I was deciding between a lighter green or a darker green, and I chose a blue green. How original. So, yeah, that's just what I'm doing. And I'm sorry if there's any noise in the background because the heater's on and the washing machine's going and my family doesn't know how to be quiet. So, I'm sorry about that. But, yeah, I'm really sorry if there's any background noise. Because I can't tell because I'm doing this voiceover right now. So I don't know what it sounds like in the video. But I'm sorry if there is any noise. And for the final cactus, I chose a big, thick dark green. So, yeah. Okay, and we are done with that cactus boy. And so now I'm going to be just decorating the pot, you know, just to make it look a little artistic, if you want to call that. So, yeah, I'm just taking a bunch of random colors and doing a bunch of random designs, and I really don't know what I'm doing, but that's the fun of art. So, hope you guys enjoy. And of course, once again, you can decorate your pot however you like. Okay, just wanted to make that clear. Okay, and then after, I'm not done doing the pot yet, but I just want to tell you guys, after I'm done the pot, I'm going to take my black pen, and I'm just going to draw like little spikes on the cactus, just to make the cactus look nice, I guess. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, just thank you for clicking on it and watching it. It means a lot to me. And have a great day. after I'm done putting my spikes on my cactus. Oh, and I almost forgot. After I said all of that, I'm writing free hugs because I just thought it'd be funny. So, yeah, that's what I was writing. Okay, but anyways, thank you so much for watching and clicking on this. And if you made it through the whole video, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, and have a great day, you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.